is Gaea M1P chopper. You can see it is a big battery. Here is a big battery. It looks super cool. And definitely makes people turn heads on the streets. I have tell you that is really very cool. It drives pretty well and fun. On the front of the scooter, we're going to see the front tire with a big disc brake. Of course, it's hydraulic brake. Nice hydraulic ability. Very fast. The rear tire is 12-inch tubeless tire. Here is the LED light with a high beam and a low beam. Here is the key. We turn on the headlight, and here is the button. The low beam is always on when you ride. High beam only turn on when you switch the button. Here is the button. It's pretty nice and super bright. It helps you light up the way in front of you at night. And here is the blink. Here is the blink. Here is the blink. Left and right. The front blink. Here is the rear blink. The blink will let others know you are turning. It makes you drive safety and helpful. Here is the phone holder. Here is the phone holder. You can put your phone. You can put your phone here. Yeah, it's very solid lock around the phone, very tightly, and prevent your phone from falling. And you can put your expensive phone and like iPhone here. The appearance looks like a Harley Travel, and actually really cool. And like motorcycle, it's electric scooter. It's reactive silence with very little noise because it's electric. When you ride it on the street, people will stop you and ask, what's it, and where did you get it? Where can I get one? It came from. We have a variety of colors to choose from, such as red, diamond, green, silver, yellow, orange.